Welcome to part 2 of the Brappfest 2022 coverage. Going to show you some more cool sleds and the Friday trail ride. Tommy, what is this awesome creation?
This is Suck My Wake. This is a Northwoods TXL.
Yeah?
Yeah. Got a 151 inch and 3/4 paddle track on it.
Oh boy, look at that.
Bar risers.
Look at that in there. Nice bar risers. What do you got under the hood?
Another 500 with a pipe.
Pipe Fuji 500. What's that pipe off of?
Off a Yamaha 488.
Yeah, like a phaser fanner?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, just shorten it up a little bit here and a little tab and it fits right in these old TXs.
I know it works good because I've tried to follow you a few times.
Yep.
Super cool, Tommy.
Yeah, wonderful day today to take it out on the lake and carve with a little bit. And
2 feet of fresh powder.
when it dropped 4 feet straight down on my nose and bent the bumper a little bit.
Yeah, that hurts.
Yeah.
Oh, well. Well, cool, man. Can't wait to, we'll try to get some video of you running it out on the lake, too.
Wonderful.
People love the interviews.
All right, let's do another interview here. It's my buddy Pooch. What are we driving today, Pooch? Pooch didn't even know we were going to interview him.
There is something.
Blue. What is the motor in the blue here, Pooch?
Exciter.
Exciter motor? Now, did this sled come with the Yamaha originally?
Free air.
It was a free air Yamaha? Is it a 340 or 440 exciter?
440.
A 440. Sweet. Have you done anything with the suspension or the track?
Polaris.
All Polaris back there?
Yep.
Nice.
Just the track.
Just the track. Oh,
Adjust the suspension out. It's adjustable on these things.
yep. Okay, cool.
Pipe, bigger carb, all kinds of neat, cool stuff.
Nice. I love it, Pooch. Thanks for showing it to us.
Let's see yours.
Here's my friend Paul. He's got a 75 TX 250. Paul, who'd you buy this from?
I bought it from a carpenter family in Plainfield, Wisconsin. I'm the second owner,
Wow.
and this snowmobile evidently was bought for the kids at home
Sure.
in 1975. It was fixed. It has help me out here. Not points and condenser. It has.
It had CDI by 75 and a TX, yep.
So I had to have CDI worked on, and I found an old screw over by 13 and 21. That's probably Adams County.
Okay.
And an old gentleman, when he saw that snowmobile, if you want to take a look at this,
Yeah. Yeah, you got the dealership sticker on there.
this was bought
Let's see.
originally anyway. The old timer that
Yeah.
sold this sled said, who's got this? Where'd you get that from?
Yeah?
And anyway, I bought it, and it was a basket case, kind of.
Yeah.
And I bought it mainly for the grandkids to learn how to ride on.
And here you are riding it.
You can get a thrill at 25-30,
Yep.
narrow and right up front, you know.
But here you are riding it all the way across the flowage, up here on the Flambeau flowage.
Not a big deal.
They're fun to ride, aren't they?
Yep.
They kind of throw you around a little.
It's been, I think I've had it for probably 15 years already, something like that.
Yeah? Cool.
Yeah. It's a grandkid sled that's getting a workout today.
Well, I love it. I love it. Is it Lonnie approved?
Absolutely. That's a beautiful
Oh, yeah.
Well, cool, Paul. Thanks for showing it. What's that?
It's in its work clothes,
Yeah?
you know.
Well, thanks for showing it to us.
And if you want to look under here, we'll show it to you.
Sure. Well, look at that. He's got the big heads. He's got the big heads on the small motor there. That
75, they knew the free air needed a little more cooling.
Yep.
So that's what they come up with. And then I was trying to exchange some parts out of the carburetors from a 295, and that didn't work.
No.
So
they had them dialed in pretty good.
Yeah, the carburetors are smaller than a 295.
Yep.
And we ran a 72 295 for years.
Cool.
My son grew up on that. Yeah.
Well, thanks for showing it to us, Paul. I appreciate it. All right, this is Mark. I just met him, but he watches the channel.
Hey.
We're out of Brappfest. What'd you bring out here today, Mark?
Brought the 93 XLT.
Sweet.
Brought the 98 XCR 700.
Is that an exhaust valve XCR 700?
Oh, it's the 98. It's a standard.
Oh, is it a Liberty? Oh, it's a triple.
Triple. Yeah.
It is a triple.
The triple stock pipes. It's nothing. The 99's the more sought after one, but the 98, there's not many of them out. Especially this one's under 2,000 miles.
Nice.
Yeah.
You went by me and it sounded really good. All your sleds sound fantastic.
All right, thanks. Yeah, this one has the Todd Klein trash can on it.
Todd who?
Todd who? Yeah.
My friend Todd. Just give me shit, buddy.
Then we brought the 93
Yeah.
XLT, which converted to an RMK.
Yeah, check that out. She's beautiful, but look at the track they got on there. We got tons of snow up here this year, and that track is just perfect for this year. Nice.
This sled, we just put a DG can on it.
Yeah, it sounds great. Sounds great. You got a can on the XCR? No, just stock on that. All right.
I can, but I didn't get it put on there yet.
Right. Cool, man. It looks like you got the SLP ultralight skis on all three.
On all three, yes.
Those are cool.
Yeah, those, you can't find them. These we powder coated because you can't find color plastics anymore.
Right.
So we decided to powder coat the frames and go with what they offer for plastic.
They look great, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Cool. Well, thanks for showing me your sleds.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Got it under control? Uh-oh. How many pulls? This is Ben participating in the How Many Pulls segment of the YouTube channel. Oh. Well, Craig's coming out. heard something go bang, bang, bang. Show us what you got, Lonnie.
Yeah, well, I don't think the track's supposed to look like this. I think it tends to make a little bit of a flapping noise.
That's why we don't buy used tracks that are torn at the outside edge.
I almost did.
Wait,
I know. That's why we didn't let you.
I gave him a good deal on it.
Well,
give me a good deal.
Lonnie's looking for 2 121 by inch and a quarter tracks now.
I know.
What a day.
It's been a great day.
I'll take him.
Well, that's a wrap on day 2 of Brappfest. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Check out my Patreon page if you're interested in some behind the scenes and exclusive content. And we'll see you on the trails.